Good evening and welcome to the thorough newspaper analysis for 21st October 2022. So today we do not have any news editorial article and instead we'll be focusing on the news update and the legal news which you know are a part of LawSikho's initiative. Now before we move on to the news update segment, the students who gave the correct answers to yesterday's questions that were asked in yesterday's TNA are Neha Shaw, Baikuntha Deka, Tamanna Kawusa, Shaktija Singh, and Shreya Roy. So, with this, we move on to the news updates for today. Firstly, IIT Madras wins National Intellectual Property Awards for 2021 and 2022. Now, the Indian Institute of Technology Madras (IITM) has won the National Intellectual Property Award for 2021 and 2022. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, had instituted the award. The criteria for evaluation was patent applications, grants, and commercialization. Piyush Goyal, who is the Union Minister for Commerce and Industry, presented the award. Secondly, we have new drone hubs in India. Now, the National Skill Development Corporation (NSDC) and Drone Destination have collaborated to start 10 drone hubs in India that aim to make the youth employable with drone technology training. Thirdly, first Indian to win medal at the U23 World States Bronze. Sajan Bhanwala became the first Indian Greco-Roman wrestler to win a medal at the Under-23 World Championship when he edged past Ukraine's Dmytro Vasteksky on criteria to emerge winner in the bronze playoff. Fourthly, we have Mallikarjun Kharge wins Congress presidential election. Now, as you know, the Congress presidential election was presently in the talks, and there was a continuous argument as to whether the presidential candidate should change in the Congress to allow for more democracy inside a party. We had even went forward and covered an editorial that talked about the same in the thorough newspaper analysis a couple of weeks back. So, based on that, Mallikarjun Kharge was elected as the new Congress president after he secured 7,897 out of the 9,385 votes that were polled. His rival Shashi Tharoor, however, sprung a surprise by securing 1,072 votes. For the legal updates today, we have do not dismiss petition under Article 227 of Constitution merely because remedy of revision under Section 115 CPC is available. Now, the Supreme Court in the case of Shri Agarwal versus Sudheer Mohan set aside an Allahabad High Court order and stated Allahabad High Court order that dismissed a petition under Article 227. So what happened is the Supreme Court went forward and stated that a petition under Article 227 of the Constitution cannot be dismissed merely because a similar remedy of revision was applicable under Section 115 of CPC. So this was all for today. For free study materials and TNA PDF slides, please join our Telegram channel, the link of which you can find in the description given below. You can also visit www.lawsikho.com for any further information.